Next topic, mathematical expectation. Now if x is a random variable which can assume values x1, x2 till xn with the respective probabilities p1, p2 till pn, then the mathematical expectation of random variable x can be given as p1 into x1 plus p2 into x2 till pn into xn. So basically it is summation of all pi into xi. In other words, we can say it is nothing but mean of all these values. Okay. And the most important thing here, summation of all the pi's, all the probabilities, it has to be equals to 1. So mathematical expectation is nothing but summation of all these pi's into xi or mean of all these values. Now let's look at this example. A die is thrown at random. What is the expectation of the number on it? Now suppose let x be number on a die. Now what can be the values of x? It can be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So these are the 6 possibilities on a die. Then probability of x. A probability of getting 1 on a die is nothing but 1 upon 6. 2 is also 1 upon 6. 3 again 1 upon 6. 4 is also 1 upon 6. 5 1 upon 6 and 6 is also 1 upon 6. Now expectation for this random variable x, that is number on a die, is nothing but summation of pi into xi, wherein I is from 1 till 6. It is nothing but multiplication of this 1, it is x1 into p1 plus x2 into p2, x3 into p3, x4 into p3, x5 into p3 and x6 into p6. Now just multiply this. So here we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and 6 whole divided by 6. Now just we have to add these numbers, which is nothing but 21 upon 6. So expectation in this case is nothing but 21 upon 6, which can be further written as 7 upon 2. Next example, what is the expected number of heads appearing when a fair coin is tossed 3 times? So what are the expected number? Suppose let me take variable x as getting heads. So what are the possibilities for getting head? We can either get 0 head, we can get 1 head, we can get 2 heads, or we can get all 3 heads. Let me write it here. So we can get 0, 1, 2 or 3 heads. Then we need to write probabilities for this, for expectation, because expectation of x is nothing but pi into xi, when I is going from 1 till 4 in this case, right? Because there are 4 possibilities. Now let me write possible cases or exhaustive cases for coin. For whenever we are tossing 3 coins, we can get all 3 heads, we can get head head tail, we can get head tail head, or we can get head tail tail. Or the other case, we can get tail head head, tail head tail, tail tail head, or all 3 tails. Now x is nothing but getting heads. So what is the probability of getting 0 heads? So at only one time we are getting all 3 tails, that is getting 0 head. So probability of getting 0 head is nothing but 1 upon 8, right? Now in this case we are getting 1 head, here also we are getting 1 head, and in this case we are getting 1 head. So what is the probability of getting 1 head? It is nothing but 3 upon 8. Now probability of getting 2 heads. So here also we are getting 2 head. In this case we are getting 2 head, or here we are getting 2 head. So again, which is nothing but 3 upon 8, and in only one case we are getting all 3 heads, so this is going to be 1 upon 8. Now we have to find expectations. So what are the expectations? This multiplication of this. So P1 x1 will be 0 into 1 upon 8, plus P2 x2 will be 3 upon 8. P3 x3 will be 2 into 3 upon 8, and P4 x4 is going to be 3 into 1 upon 8. So this will be 0. This is 3 upon 8. Next 6 upon 8, and then 3 upon 8. So which can be written as 3 plus 6 plus 3 upon 8, which is nothing but 12 upon 8. So which can be written as 3 upon 2. So the expectation of getting heads when we are tossing 3 coins, right, is nothing but 3 upon 2.